And if you see Mario, anything relative you want to talk as it's playing, you talk about it. Yeah. Okay. There we go. This one's for you. Right, take your microphone. It's on.
Right, good afternoon everybody. We're getting close to the last few live Innovation Zone presentations for you. Fresh from a very busy stand, we've dragged Mario all the way from one end of the Big Five Live over to our live Innovation Zone. Good afternoon, Mario, how are you?
Thank you, we're good. It's been an intense show. We barely been able to come all the way here to introduce our innovative system, but we are happy to have been chosen. And we're going to give you a very brief introduction about what's our contribution to the industry.
So if anybody's used to kind of fixed flooring, this is what Mario's going to be talking about. But it's innovative because it's the only one, as I know, in the world that can be actually accessible.
It's 100% accessible. We don't use any single screw to fix our floors, and that provides great value to our products and our proposal.
Well, the video's playing. I'll let you have a chat about it, Mario. Okay.
All right. So hello everyone. As I said, we are Exterpark from Spain, Barcelona. We are a producer very focused on decking and outdoor solutions for any kind of outdoor spaces. And our main contribution to making a better solution and making a product better for obviously UAE, but for the rest of the world. This system, just mentioning, that has been sold to already at least around 60 countries since it was launched 5 years ago. And our main contribution, as you can see in the video, is that we don't use any single screw. The deck boards are installed to the substructure with a patented clip made on a very advanced thermoplastic that is used in the automotive industry. And the whole connection is done with the clips connected to the aluminum substructure. This is giving us several advantages. The main advantage is that it is a faster installation. It is more neat installation. Is it a neater installation? And it is a silent installation, and we don't use any screws, so it's also very friendly for people who are not professionals or like private consumers. Then it's giving us, the most important feature that it's giving us is that we have a flexibility. So since we are not screwing the product, we have full flexibility to open it up, as you can see in the video right now. You can disassemble it in a very quick time without damaging the product itself. So it can be reused. So that is also a very interesting property. And it's also, even if it's not going to be removed to another location, it is always very interesting to have accessibility to the substructure, because then we can access drainage points, or we can install any type of installation like cables, lights, etc. So having accessibility in our type of products for outdoor is a very important feature, and it provides a lot of added value. So yeah, this is basically all the most important features of our system. Nowadays in the decking industry, most of other systems are using screws. So they are installing the boards with screws to the substructure, so then we have no accessibility at all. And if we want to change any board, or if we want to have access to the substructure, we have to do let's say a very heavy operation, or you have to bring certain professionals to your installation, rather than with our product, any maintenance people, any maintenance staff at the hotel or at a restaurant, they can do it in a very simple operation without the needs of any specific tool. We actually only need one tool, which is this very simple tool. This part of the tool we will use it to open up any single board in the middle of the installation, and then we can use the hook. Once we have the space, we can use the hook to lift up the rest of the boards. This is going to be proven today, for example, when we take off our booth at 7 o'clock. We are in Hall 5 in the Spain Pavilion. Anybody's welcome to come at 7 o'clock and see how our guys remove our booth in, literally it's going to take them probably 5-10 minutes to remove all the boards on the floor. So this is something that nobody else in the industry can say. And again, it provides a lot of advantages. So thank you very much, and we're hoping to continue contributing with what we believe is